Guys, I'm with my bestie.
Where are
We're
going
twins.
today, bestie?
We're going to the mall.
No mall here.
Oh, I'm going to the daycare.
Don't go to the daycare.
Wait. I'm a baby now. Where are you? I'm a baby, mama. I'm a baby. Come out. I'm a baby.
I'm not your mama.
I am your mama.
Where are you?
Bro, I am here. I am right here. I am lagging.
Bayaon ko na ikaw.
I sit down, bro. I'm your kid. Ay, kailangan saluyo ang bata.
Ay, oo. Sige, baliw.
Adi nagsaluyo.
Salamat ka nala.
I'm behind. Kakit naton, magkaanak.
Ako naluloko din mo ama ate.
Mama na lang. Bro, kiwara ka ba?
Kaya sa bakit
Kasi naman sa ako nag-give birth. Waray mama.
Ay, ako.
Ta.
Imod. Ay, bababay!
Bunggo ah. Akon car, oh, tulad dito.
Yan bayaan mo na kasi. Uy, magsta-story.
Where are we going, mom?
Ano? We going to the...
Grocery store has been robbed.
Huh?
The grocery store has been robbed.
It's okay. That is not ours.
Bro, it's just a grocery store. I'm gonna call the police. I am the police officer. Wee woo. Oh. Where? Over here is the police. Over there.
Party over there.
Where's the party? Let's go to the party, bro.
No, we have no money.
Let's just do it for free.
Let's go. Get out now. Let's go to groceries.
I'm gonna go to the arcade.
Bahala ka, bayaan ko ikaw.
Mama!
Pauli na kat yan ah.
Mom!
Kunyari, ganyan pa sakay pag ikaw. Sakay. Salin!
Sulod na.
Janel?
Nakakasakayak na yan! Hindi ka man
Oh,
nakakalakad.
let's go party.
Ouch.
Come on, let's go party.
They were always on a losing game.
Bye-bye, baby.
I'm right behind you, bro. And wait for a sec. Wait for a second.
Lang ka.
A baby has a gun. Di pusil-pusil yo. Stop it. Where are you? Bro! Mama!
No.
I'm gonna come with you.
No.
I have a scooter. Nasunod daw ako sa imo. Tapos dire ka maaram na ako ni mo anak ha. Hey, wait for me, mama. Wait for me, mom. Mommy.
My baby again.
Mommy, where are you? I'm here. Ay, di diyan na tong balay na yan.
Diin.
Baka di. Come here, bro.
Sa school at
Vacant 7 anakon. Tapos di ba naton old house na kuan sa hara nila sa hospital.
Hala ka, te. May baliktad ako. Kita na!
Didi kay dire. Mama.
I'm here. I'm here to the school.
I go to house.
Who is the school?
There's a zombie chasing me. Oh, may zombie.
Adak sa school.
Ah! There's a zombie! Di nala kaya te naton balay te. Baka di. Uy, ako din na motor kakawat ko.
Nakain ka?
Adi. Oh, somebody in a big arcade.
Nakain pa?
Daw nakaka-drive, gikawat ko.
Di nakain ka, Bi.
I'm here.
Hindi ka okay?
I'm here now.
Nakatan mo daw? Kaya nabunggo ka.
Mommy. Wait. I'm on a bike.
Hoy, pag-stroller, God!
What stroller?
Adi, nagiwan ko dun stroller.
Sabay ko mo. Stroller. Stroller. Bro, why am I a baby?
Bahala ka daw, gawin ka ng
Ano, iwasan ko yun kay ipaguti ko ura-uran akong character para bang baby ako.
baby.
I'm a baby na.
Yay.
I'm so small!
Hoy, pag-call na!
No.
Pag-stroller!
I'm with the stroller now.
Come on, baby, let's go.
Let's go over here.
Let's go home.
Our house is over here, I know it.
No. Wait for mommy.
I'm here up. I am baby. Ah! I thought that was nobody. Where's else?
Where are you, baby?
Over here.
Go jump.
I'm coming. How about let's go to another house? Let's here. This is our house. And I home comes.
Asya daw kanya hindi.
I teleport to my house.
Kanya asya daw. Hindi react na ulit.
Wee. Wee.
Hindi makabre.
Wee.
Hindi rin nakabre ng hospital.
Wee.
Kunyari, nagtatanong siya daw kay Adi.
I can't get in. Uy, may lalaki din nagsisinunod sa akin. Sa ginaabrido ko ang portahan. Adi yun, lalaki. Adi yun. Siya ito ng lalaki. Umaywas.
Kanya asya daw naka-wheelchair. Invisible daw naka-wheelchair. Day, invisible akong wheelchair. Ay.
Me open the light. Ah!
Kumati ka daw tigdo sa hospital.
Anay?
Wait daw sa inyo. Baka din nala dito sa bedroom nakon. Sonil! Sonil!
Me go there now. I can't go out. Oh no. I don't. Naglalag ikaw. I'm a baby. I can't go right now. I'm a baby. I can't go out. Yay, finally I got out.
Tagadsin niya kung paglakad forever
Nana.
sa iba-iba na lugar. Uy, mag-skate kit.
Wait, I'm coming.
Hindi naman mag-live.
Okay. I'm just a baby, bro.
So, green.
Okay, I'm with my classmate. Nay. Claire! Ay, wala. Bro, nag-leave si Claire. Yay! Again. Control. Control. Thank you. I love my suitcase. Naglalagak. I love my suitcase. Sige na siya balik-balik. Adiyo si Claire. Adiyo, anay basahan ko lang yung aran. Cute. Ano to? Cute. Naulungag. Uy. Boss. Good players. I love my suitcase. I love my suitcase. May carry ba? Kung kasi ito ka, na.
Wait, tama kasi.
Di si Claire. Tawari di chat.
Sabihin na ito, sabihin na siya didi. Bahala siya din magutom.
Okay.
Unsyon man siya kan Claire kontra sa pagkukod.
Ay. Ay mag-emote ako. Bye-bye na Claire.